Okay, so let's click on View, Slide Master. Okay, so let's select first slide and let's click on here. So we'll put details in footer. So let's click on Insert Header and select Header and Footer. Click on Slide Number and click on Apply to All. So let's click on Home and select font size. I will make it bigger. So here it is. We can change color as well. For example, I will select red. And here's how it looks like. So let's go back to Slide Master and close Master View. And here we can see that our slide numbers are in every page. So this is how it works like, guys. So when we are adding new page, number will be added as well. Okay guys, hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe and have a nice day. Bye.